Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Apex Rithmic account to Tradingview. First, keep in mind that Tradingview does not natively connect to Rithmic execution systems. This means you cannot trade directly on a Rithmic feed from Tradingview charts. To make it work, you need to use Pick My Trade as the bridge between the two platforms. Start by opening the Pick My Trade website. Click Brokers from the top menu and select Rithmic from the drop-down list. You will be redirected to the Pick My Trade IO website. Next, click Rithmic Connection at the top, then select Add Connection. Enter your Apex Rithmic username, password, and the system name, which is usually included in your Apex welcome email. Then connect your account. After that, open the Generate Alert section. Select Rithmic as the broker, choose your alert type, and select the trading symbol. The system will generate a webhook URL and a message code. Copy both of them. Now go to the Tradingview website and click Alerts at the top. Create a new alert or edit an existing one. In the message section, click the arrow next to the field and paste the generated message code. Then paste the webhook URL into the webhook URL field and save the alert. Whenever your strategy triggers the alert, Tradingview instantly sends an HTTP post request to the Pick My Trade webhook. The Pick My Trade receives the alert and executes the trade on your Apex Rithmic account within milliseconds. Thanks for watching.